Good morning, student. Welcome to computer class. Students, in the previous class, you learned about how to start MS Word, creating a new document, entering text in a document, save a document, and open a document. Now, in this class, you will learn more on MS Word. So, let's start. What is MS Word? A word processor is a computer software application that performs the task of editing, formatting, and printing documents. So the first topic is entering the text. So you can see, for example, MS Word. So you can see this blank document. So a Word application opens with a blank document, and the small vertical line is known as insertion point. So this small vertical line is known as insertion point or cursor. It indicates the position where the next type character will appear. It indicates the position where the next type character will appear. So this is MS Word open with blank document. Next topic is editing text. Editing text means you can make changes in the text. Making changes in a document is called editing. So, MS Word allows us to select a piece of text in several ways. So, the first method is selecting the text using mouse. So, how you can select the text using mouse? The first one is, if you want to select a word, then double click on the word. I want to select MS, then double click on MS. Okay, second method. If you want to select a sentence, then hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence. This is second method. Third method. If you want to select a paragraph, then click 3 times anywhere in the paragraph. Click 3 times anywhere in the paragraph. So this is third method. If you want to select the entire document, for this place the cursor in the beginning of the document, then hold down the left mouse button and drag it till the end. So this is third method, selecting the text using mouse. Now second method, selecting the text using shift key. Now, if you want to select the text with the help of shift key, then place the cursor at the beginning of the shift key, beginning of the paragraph. After that, hold down the shift key, press the shift key and right arrow. You can see your text will selected with the help of shift key. This is second method. Third method, if you want to select the entire document with shortcut key. So for the shortcut key, just press the Ctrl plus A. Okay, so this is your third method. Now, next topic is undo and redo command. MS Word allow you to reverse the changes you have made to a document using undo command. Okay, and what is redo? Redo command is used to reverse the undo command. For example, I want to make this paragraph bold. Okay, after that I am not satisfied with my changes. Now I want to reverse it. Then you can use these two arrows on the quick access toolbar. This is for undo and this is for redo. So click on redo, you can see the changes. If you are not satisfied with this, you can again click on the undo command. Okay, so these arrows are used for undo and redo, and you can also use shortcut key for undo and redo. For undo you can use Ctrl plus Z, and for redo you can use Ctrl plus Y. So this is for undo and redo command. Next topic is checking spelling and grammar. MS Word has a built-in dictionary and set grammatical rules to check the document. Grammatical errors are indicated with green wavy line, and misspelled words can be seen with red wavy line beneath them. After correction, the line disappears. So there are two methods for checking grammar for checking spelling and grammar. The first one is using the quick menu and the second is using the ribbon. So the first is using the quick menu. For this, place the cursor on the incorrect word and after that click on the right button. A shortcut menu will appear with suggestion. Click on the word with the correct spelling. In the suggestion list, incorrect spelling will be replaced with the correct spelling and after correction the line disappear. This is first method. Now the second method is using the ribbon. So for this, go to the proofing group on the review tab. This is the review tab and under it go to the proofing group. This is spelling and grammar. This is proofing group. Click on it. After that, a spelling task pane will appear. A spelling task pane will appear. Now change. Click on the change. You can see the change. Okay, you can see the red baby line will disappear after correction. Next topic is using thesaurus. Thesaurus help to improve our vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms, words with similar meaning, and antonyms, words with opposite meaning. Follow the step to use thesaurus. Select the word for which you want to find synonyms or antonyms. For example, I am selecting collection. After that, go to the review tab. Here is the review tab on the quick access toolbar. Click on it. Now, the thesaurus command, click on the thesaurus command. Here is the thesaurus command. In the proofing group, click on it. You can see the thesaurus task pane will open displaying the synonyms and antonyms. Now you can choose the suitable word for your selection. So this is the method how you can use thesaurus in MS Word. Next topic is formatting a document. Formatting means changing and arranging the text in a document to make it attractive as per your choice. So the first is changing the font. The character that uses the given size and style while typing the text is called font. Font is the look and the shape of the text. Now how you can change the font and font size. So first select the text. After that click on the home tab in the font group. Now this is the font group. If you want to change the font style, then click on here. So you can see the drop down list. Now you can select any particular style for your font. Here. Now if you want to increase the font size, okay, now again you can click on this number list. The drop down number list will appear. Now you can select any particular size from here and you can also use these button to increase and decrease the size of your font. For increasing you can click on it and for decreasing you can click on it. So this is the method how you can change the font size and style. Next is changing the color. MS Word allows you to change the color of your text. So for this, select the text. After that, again go to the home tab in the font group. Now here you can see, click on the drop down arrow next to the font color. This is the font color group and click on it. You can see the color list and you can select any particular color from here. And here is also the option more color. Click on it. You can see and now press the left mouse button and drag the pointer over the color and you can select any particular color for your text. After that click on OK. Right? Now the next is changing the font style. How you can change the font style. We can also change the font style to bold, italic and underline. So For example, if you want to make your text or your sentence bold, then first select the text. After that, go to the home tab, font group. This is the font group, and here are the button B, I and U. B for bold and I for italic and U for underline. If you want to make your text bold, then click on bold. If you want to make your text italic, then click on italic. If you want to make your sentence underline, then click on underline. Okay, so this is the method. You can, if you want to make your sentence bold, click on bold button. If you want to make your sentence italic, click on italic. If you want to underline your sentence, then click on underline option. And you can also use the shortcut keys for this. For bold, you can use Ctrl plus B, and for italic, you can use Ctrl plus I, and for underline, you can use Ctrl plus U. So student, in this session, we discuss few topics, that is entering the text, editing, undo and redo, checking spelling and grammar, using thesaurus, and formatting a document. I hope this video helped you to understand these topics in a better way. In the next session, we will discuss the remaining topics. Thank you.